Sure.
I'm Vanishti from Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College, Vattamalai, studying BE Electronics and Communication Engineering. This is my teammate Velrathinam and this is Srutika. We are going to do a project on the title Water Level Indicator using 8051.
In this video, I am going to introduce an interesting and useful project called Water Level Indicator using 8051 microcontroller. The main goal of this project is to monitor the water level inside a tank automatically without any manual checking. Many times, due to overflow of water, a lot of water and electricity are wasted. This simple system helps in giving us a real-time updates about the water level and even alerts us when the tank becomes full. The 8051 microcontroller is used at the brain of the system. It reads the signal from sensor probes placed at different heights in the tank. Based on the water level, the microcontroller controls the LCD display and the buzzer to inform the user. The complete project is designed using basic components like metal probes, microcontroller, LEDs, LCD, buzzer, and a regulated power supply. It is cost effective, easy to build, and very reliable for day to day use at home, farms, schools, and industries. In this video, I will explain the complete project starting from the basic idea, then the work process, moving to the simulation, then the detailed program code explanation, followed by the circuit working, and finally ending with the conclusion. In abstract part, we developed a system that can detect and display the water level inside a tank. We used basic electronic components like sensors, a microcontroller, LEDs, buzzer, and LCD. When water touches certain metal probes inside the tank, the 8051 microcontroller receives the signal and updates the water level on the LCD screen. If the tank becomes full, a buzzer will also sound to alert the user. The system saves water, saves electricity, and is simple to build. It can be used in homes, schools, farms, and even industries. In introduction part, nowadays water is a very precious resource. In many places, people face shortage of water because of wastage and overflow. In some houses, the motor will run even after the tank is full because people do not know the tank is already filled. This is not only wastes water but also damages the motor. To prevent this problem, we designed the water level indicator system. The system gives real-time updates and alerts when the tank is filling. Even a non-technical person can easily understand the display because it shows clear messages like empty, low, half, full. Work process. In circuit design, we used Proteus simulation software to design the complete circuit. We selected 8051 microcontroller, sensor, LCD, buzzer, and other components carefully. In component placement, after selecting, we placed each component correctly inside Proteus workspace like in real world connection. In wiring connection, we connected the components with wires properly. Right wiring is important to get right signals. In programming simulation, we wrote C program for 8051 microcontroller. This program controls what happens when water touches each probe. In testing and verification, we tested different water levels: no water, half tank, full tank. This is the simulation of our water level indicator project using 8051 microcontroller in Proteus. First, we placed the AT89C51 microcontroller. We connected 11.059 to MHz crystal oscillator between pins 18 and 19 along with two 33 PF capacitors to ground for clock stability. When All three sensors are low, the tank is empty, and the LCD shows tank empty. When only pin 1.0 is high, the water has reached the lower sensor, the LCD shows low level. When pin 1.0 and 1.1 are high, the water has reached the medium sensor, the LCD shows half full. When all three sensors are high, the tank is full. The LCD shows tank full and the buzzer or LED also activates as an alert. In circuit diagram and working, we have three probes placed at different heights inside the tank. Probes are connected to input pins of 8051 microcontroller. When water touches a probe, the electrical signal is sent to 8051. The microcontroller reads the signal and decides the level. LCD display shows whether the tank is empty, half, or full. When full, probe is activated, buzzer turns on to alert us. Power supply is given using a 5-volt regulated source. In short, the probes acts like sensor, 8051 acts like brain, LCD and buzzer acts like output device to show and alert. In output explanation, we observed each condition carefully. When no water, LCD set empty. When half, LCD set low. When mid, LCD set half. When full, LCD set full and buzzer gave sound. Thus, our project worked perfectly in simulation and can easily be implemented in real life also. Finally, to conclude this project, taught us many things: basic electronics, sensor interfacing, microcontroller programming, and Proteus simulation. It is a simple but very useful project. It prevents water overflow, saves electricity, and saves water. It can be easily installed in homes, farms, schools, etc. Thank you for listening to my explanation.